In the world of tennis, every swing of the racket is a pursuit of excellence and precision. Shanghai Racquet Club, with its professional facilities and high-quality services, has become a mecca for tennis players. Just as the sport of tennis constantly pursues a higher realm, Shanghai Racquet Club is also constantly improving its service standards, using the ECOVACS commercial cleaning robot DEEBOT Pro M1 to help upgrade the cleaning service experience. When the athletes start their training in the morning, M1 also quietly starts its cleaning task. With a battery life of up to 8 hours and a cleaning efficiency of 1,200 square meters per hour, it guards the cleanliness of the floor around the clock. M1 is not just a robot, but also a capable partner of cleaners. It has multiple cleaning capabilities such as scrubbing, sweeping, and mopping, and can intelligently plan the cleaning path. Intelligent obstacle avoidance, recharge after the work is completed. Even manual operation can be carried out when necessary to address sudden cleaning needs. To provide an international service experience, ECOVACS has equipped the M1 with fluent English voice reminders.
Turn right.
Matched with the English dot matrix screen on the fuselage, it ensures that the robot can perfectly integrate into the club.
We not only provide an international tennis experience, but also an international service experience. With ECOVACS cleaning robot, the cleaning frequency has doubled, and the working hours of manual labor are saved by at least 2 hours per day. We can also manage robots through apps and cloud platforms, thus improving the level of intelligent management. This is not only an improvement to the environment, but also a respect for every member and visitor.